Our nearest star, Proxima Centauri. Imagine the sun suddenly vanished. The sky goes dark. The warmth disappears. Where would you even look for the next star? The answer is both simple and shocking. The closest star to us is Proxima Centauri, and it is so far away that even light takes more than 4 years to get there. Proxima Centauri is about 4.24 light-years away. Now, light-year sounds simple, but it hides something enormous. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. In 1 second, it can circle the Earth more than 7 times. And even at that speed, it takes over 4 years to reach Proxima Centauri. Let's make that more real. If you got into a commercial airplane today, you would arrive there in about 5 million years. Even with the fastest spacecraft humanity has ever built, the journey would take tens of thousands of years. This is the true scale of space. Our nearest neighbor, it's still almost unreachable. Now, here's something surprising. Proxima Centauri is not a bright, powerful star like our Sun. It is a red dwarf, small, cool, and faint. It has only about 1/8 the mass of the Sun, and shines with less than 1% of its brightness. If you replaced our Sun with Proxima Centauri, the sky would look more like a dim twilight than daylight. But this small size comes with an advantage. Red dwarfs are incredibly efficient. They burn their fuel very slowly, which means they can live for trillions of years, far longer than our Sun ever will. In a way, Proxima Centauri is a star built for endurance. But Proxima Centauri isn't truly alone. It belongs to a nearby family called the Alpha Centauri system. This system contains 3 stars. 2 of them, Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, are much closer to each other. They orbit one another like a pair, locked together by gravity. Sometimes they move closer, sometimes farther apart, but they are always connected, like a cosmic dance that never ends. Alpha Centauri A is very similar to our Sun, bright, stable, and warm. Alpha Centauri B is slightly smaller and cooler, with an orange glow instead of yellow. Together, they behave almost like a binary couple in space. And then there is Proxima Centauri. It sits far away from this pair, orbiting them from a great distance. It's like a distant companion, gravitationally connected, but living on the edge of the system. This makes the Alpha Centauri system feel less like a simple pair and more like a small stellar neighborhood. But Proxima Centauri has a more violent side. Unlike our Sun, which is relatively stable, Proxima Centauri is highly active. It produces powerful stellar flares, sudden bursts of energy and radiation. These flares can be hundreds of times stronger than those from our Sun. For any nearby planet, this creates a harsh and dangerous environment. And yes, Proxima Centauri does have planets. One of them, Proxima Centauri B, orbits within what scientists call the habitable zone. This means the temperature could allow liquid water to exist. And where there is liquid water, there is always the possibility of life. But there's a challenge. Because the star is so active, this planet is constantly exposed to intense radiation. So while it could support life, it would be very different from anything we know on Earth. When we compare Proxima Centauri to our Sun, we begin to understand how unique our star really is. The Sun is larger, brighter, and far more stable. It provides just the right balance of energy for life to thrive. Proxima Centauri, on the other hand, is smaller, dimmer, and far more unpredictable. And yet, stars like Proxima are the most common in the universe. So here's the thought to take with you. The closest star to Earth is still so far away that reaching it is beyond our current technology. And yet, it's only one of billions of stars in our galaxy, each one with its own planets, its own story, and maybe its own forms of life. The universe isn't just big, it's unimaginably vast. And Proxima Centauri is just the first step into that endless distance.